In today's video, I'm gonna be trying out Cardi B's hair masks on my toddler's hair. So I have my ingredients as grapeseed oil, aloe vera oil, castor oil, avocado, egg, and coconut oil. And I also have my blender right there. All right, you can use, whatsoever you want. I'm not gonna be adding mayonnaise to these hair masks because mayonnaise is a mixture of egg and oil. So obviously we have egg and oils, which I'll be combining to make my own Cardi B's hair masks. So I don't think there is need for any mayonnaise. So, and that is it right there. Putting the aloe vera first, and it doesn't really matter what goes in first. And I'm adding my aloe vera oil. If you want to know how to make your aloe vera oil, you can just check the description of this video. It will be right there. And I just scoop one tablespoon of coconut oil, and I added grapeseed oil, and I broke the egg, and that is castor oil. So we're gonna be blending all this together, and we'll make it a paste. We'll make it so smooth and turn it to a paste. And right there, I am completely blending all this mixture together to give us a thick, smooth paste. Look at that. And I'm scooping it out from the blender into a bowl. That looks good, like yummy. And here is our Cardi B hair mask, and I'm gonna be applying it on my toddler's 4C hair. Look at that. I made sure she was seated in a very good position, balanced and relaxed. I made sure I put her on her favorite learning mat so she will sit comfortably and enable me apply the marks properly without any interruption. Okay, so I'm gradually applying the marks on the hair. It feels so soft, I tell you. It feels so soft, like, I don't know. It feels so soft right there. And I'm practically combing out the hair. It looks, my God, it looks silky. It looks so soft. Look at that. It looks so beautiful, I tell you. I think this Cardi B mask actually works for 4C hair. So you can use Cardi B masks to straighten out 4C hair, thick hair, to get this smooth, silky texture. I'm combing out the hair to take off every thickness from the root. I'm looking at the combination of this Cardi B hair mask. I believe that every ingredient used here is so healthy. Look at that. She's completely enjoying the combing. It feels so gentle. It feels so soothing on the hair. You want to try it out? I think she's enjoying it. Yeah, she is. Look at that. Now we are done with applying our hair masks, and this is what it looks like. I covered with a bonnet and allowed it to stay for 20 minutes before washing it off with warm water. And then I styled her hair. Look at that. It looks so beautiful. I tell you, you need to really try this out. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and share my content with your friends and loved ones. All right, bye bye, see you soon.